dear Elizas, welcome to Lights and Beauty. This is your favorite makeup Ranjana. But yeah, guys, today is the day where I'm going to launch my first ever lipstick collection. That is the shades of Tides, and the name of our first ever shade is Heart of the Sea. So I'll explain later why it is called Heart of the Sea and why I have chosen the name. So guys, I apologize first of all because I got an injury in my back, so I was not able to launch my shade at the expected time. That was 2 days before, but today here I am because I'm better now. So let's start. So guys, this shade, the shade of Tides collection, is inspired by ocean. As you all know that ocean can feel very calm, and personally I love ocean. I love being at the beach. So that is why I have chosen the theme ocean or the shades of Tides for my first ever lipstick collection, because after being with ocean or at the beach, I feel confident and calm as well. There is serendipity and peace at the beaches or the oceans, I feel, and I'm sure most of you also feels the same way. So that is why I have chosen the name Shades of Tides for the collection, and our first shade is Heart of the Sea. Now, why is it called Shades of Tide and how it is ocean inspired? So it all goes with the packaging, right? So this packaging is all inspired by the ocean sea creatures. So first of all, let me show you the packaging so you can get the idea of how it is inspired from the sea or ocean. So so this is the outer logo. That is the Shades of Tide, right? So let me show you how the whole ocean is completely immersed in this small box. So guys, let's see. Can you see that little pearls and oyster? This oyster or seashell is the lipstick, right? Can you see that? Isn't it pretty? So guys, this is the packaging. Isn't it pretty? I have given the lipstick the shape of seashell so that it reminds of that heart of the sea, because oysters and pearls are really the heart of the ocean, and anyone can connect with that because they are symbol of beauty, they are symbol of regalness, they are symbol of royalty, they are symbol of purity, and anyone can relate to that. So that is why I have chosen this shape and this theme as my first ever lipstick collection. So let me know in the comment section, how do you like my packaging? I have self-made it, right? I can feel that you can imagine whole of ocean in this box because it really looks like that. Write in the comment section, how do you feel when you see this box, right? So that is why I have given the name Heart of the Sea, because pearls and oysters are for sure the heart of the sea. So let me show you how it will look on your lips. So take the brush and can you see the shade? I wanted to create a shade which is daily wear. You can wear it on daily basis. Isn't it pretty? This shade you can wear on that beach day, for office wear, for college, for every occasion, even for parties and for dinners. And this shade can go for any occasion and with any dress and any outfit. As you can see that it is very subtle and not very dark or bright, right? I hope you love the packaging, right? Because I have put in a lot of effort to think about and create the idea or execute the idea of the packaging by myself, right guys? So guys, this is the heart of the sea. Now let me tell you about the texture of this lipstick. It is very creamy, very light on the lips, and of course very moisturizing. I want it to be subtle in shade, as you can see, and it can be worn by any age and any person, right? Irrespective of the gender and irrespective of the age, or irrespective of the taste, because shape it is more on the side of pinkish nude, and it can look good on every skin tone. As a dusky girl, it looks very good on me, as you can see that, right guys? I hope guys that this song of Heart of Sea can resonate with anyone who loves that quiet confidence, because it's subtle, it's refreshing, and it will be a part of your heart as well, just like the ocean, because I know everyone loves ocean, and the depth of the ocean can be seen in the shade of this lipstick. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you. This lipstick is customizable. Like, I have given the shape of seashell right to the lipstick. There are other ocean based shapes with me. If you want any shape of your choice, or any landscape theme in the packaging of your choice, I can do that as well. So guys, sky is the limit. Elysian beauty belongs to you guys, so it is for you guys only. And it so guys, if you want this shade, you can buy from the links in the description, or you can WhatsApp me. I can courier to your place, right guys? So guys, this is all for today. So I will be back with another amazing video or more shades of this lipstick collection, because this is just the beginning, trust me guys. So guys, till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you.